Don't do nothing crazy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Blessed Performance channel. Today we're going to talk about some Fox shocks. We're going to talk about suspension. Lots of folks call us and ask us what are the best, what do we like the most. Those questions, you know, they're hard to come by answers for. Realistically, I run Fox on everything. There's Bilstein. There are several other good brands out there, Icon, Bilstein. We run Fox on our trucks solely because I've had the best results out of them. Right here we've got the Fox 2.0 with Resi that we're going to be installing on our F450, along with the Fox single steering stabilizer. The upgrades that you're going to notice is a lot smoother transition. These are major upgrades over your factory shocks. Each Fox shock is designed with a high flow damping piston specific to your vehicle, flow tested and calibrated in the Fox factory. Every single shock that is sent out is specifically calibrated for your vehicle. When you get to the Fox 2.0 with Reservoir, what you're adding is increased oil capacity and nitrogen capacity to increase that ride quality, to improve that quality over factory dramatically. These are the shocks that you see on the race trucks, on the Razors, on all of your off-road vehicles. The gains that you're going to get from a Fox shock are anodized pistons, anodized coating. They're going to be designed to last the life of your vehicle, which is the goal. Give us a call today. We'd love to chat about shock. 1-800-577-2698, or check them out on our website, blessedperformance.com.